What you doing over there? You got the rag? You're practically standing up by yourself. Yes, you are. You're doing there pretty darn good. Are you cleaning the table? Yeah? 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 Wow, look at you. You held yourself up all by yourself 3 times there. Looking for your new phone? Oopsie. Oh, Grandma almost fell. What you doing now? You got down pretty good that time without falling. Oh, that was Milo standing up. He actually held himself up and got down all by himself without falling on his head. Good job. Yeah. Good job. You gonna get back up again? Oh, look at the handsome boy. Standing up and everything. Yeah. Uh-oh, careful. Don't fall down.
It's been many years since Mama punished her baby boy.
Say hi to the camera. Wave hi. Say hi. Careful. Where are you going? You're falling down. There, you got yourself back up. Good job. Okay, no more talking? Well, that's what you're doing so far, huh? Okay, hi everybody. Say hi everybody. Well, it's Milo standing up. We love you, everybody out there.